Hi there, my name is Spence and I'm here to show you what comes in your virus first aid kit. The first thing you're going to get is a fogger. As we open up the fogger, you'll see there's lots of goodies in here for you. Okay? We have 2 sets of gloves and 2 sets of masks. We have a sign to promote the fact that you are sanitizing and that your environment is being cleaned and sanitized by a hospital grade EPA approved disinfectant. We give you a folder. On this folder you'll find a USB drive here which will have videos to show you how to properly disinfect and use the fogger, as well as supporting documentations like your safety data sheet digitally and some other materials for signage if you'd like to put up in your establishment. Here we also have the written instructions on how to fog, the signage, and behind here we have your safety data sheet which shows you how safe the product we use is. Every fogger comes with a strap to put around your neck or your shoulder. When you get your ULV fogger, it'll come in a box like this. It's got 13 feet of cord. It has incredible coverage for fogging, and we cover that on another video. That's what you'll find in your fogger kit here. Next, you'll receive a second box. In this box has what we call a drum faucet and a 5-gallon drum of hospital grade disinfectant. It's going to be much heavier than this, but here you have your 5 gallons of hospital grade disinfectant. All you need to do is remove the cap that's on it, put the drum faucet onto the drum, okay, and then make sure that valve is turned off, and you'll be able to store this 5-gallon tank sideways so that you can easily fill your fogger or any other container that you're looking to fill with your hospital grade disinfectant. These are the contents of your virus first aid kit. Come back and see our other videos on how we use this. Thank you.